Final Exam Critical Listening by Dina Agustina. Lecture Yunia Sari MPD. UIN Raden Fata Palembang, the Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teaching English Education Study Program. This video was made to fulfill the final semester exam assessment for critical listening courses on listening strategy and note-taking strategy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to my video. It's very nice to have you here to attend my video. In the occasion, I would like to retell based on the notes you have according to the existing audio. Chapter 8. Press test. Lecture. Okay, today let's look at the positive way that waterways influenced the growth of cities and cultures. We have talked about how waterways allow the exchange of product, but they also allow the exchange of ideas. That's what I would like to talk about today. Okay, let me start with a question. How do we learn about the world that exists beyond our own culture? Well, there are many ways that we learn about the world. Let me show you what I mean. In the past, before travel and communication were so easy, people learned about the world through actual contact with other people and other ideas. There were no computers and no airplanes, for example, a ride, but back then it was geographical features like waterways that made contact between people and ideas possible. Let's look at how this worked in the past. The closer to waterways that people lived, the more opportunity they had to exchange ideas about the world, and this exchange of ideas helped cultures grow and develop. We know that this is true because when we study cultures that live in isolation from waterways, we see some things that are similar. Let me explain. Ships traveling on rivers, lakes, and ocean carried people, but they also carried people's ideas and experienced culture that were not near waterways, usually developed more slowly than others than cultures than near waterways because they couldn't easily talk to people from other places. Okay, next challenge. Take a note based on note-taking strategies. Okay, take a note based on note-taking strategies. 1. Waterways. A waterways is any navigable body of water. And then cultures, social behavior, human societies, knowledge, belief, arts, law, and habits, and then etc. Geographical feature. In the context of geography and geography information, science is a phenomenon that exists at a location in the space and scale of relevance to geography that are space and scale of the earth at a moderate global scale. And then travel. Travel is the movement of people between distinct geographical locations. And then find at last 5 listening strategies. First topic, we have talked about how waterways allow the exchange of ideas. Transition. Example, let me start with a question. How do we learn about the world that exists beyond our own culture? Explanation. Example, let me show you what I mean. In the past, before travel and communication were so easy. And then example 2, let me explain. Ship traveling on rivers, lakes, and oceans carried people. And then example is the part of 5 listening strategies. For example, alright, but back then it was geographical feature like waterways that made contact between people and ideas people. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time is almost over. Thank you very much for your attention and for the participation, and then please forgive me for something weakness in my video. I hope my speech can be beneficial for all of us. Let me end this speech and then the video session. Let me closing my video by saying wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.